Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you're looking to reset your MacBook, right? Maybe you're selling it, passing it on to a friend, or you just want that clean, fresh, out-of-the-box feeling. Whatever the reason, you've come to the right place. I'm going to walk you through the process step by step, and trust me, it's easier than you think. First things first, and this is super important, back up your data. You can use Time Machine, an external hard drive, or iCloud. Just make sure you save everything you don't want to lose forever. Your photos, documents, everything. Once the reset starts, there's no going back. Got your backup sorted? Great. Now, let's sign out of your accounts. Go to System Settings, click on your Apple ID at the top, scroll down, and hit Sign Out. You'll also want to deauthorize your computer in the Music or TV app. Open the app, go to Account, then Authorizations, and choose Deauthorize this computer. All right, now for the main event. Shut down your MacBook completely. Now turn it back on and immediately press and hold the power button. Keep holding it until you see the Startup Options window appear. If you have an older Intel-based Mac, you'll press and hold Command and R right after turning it on. From the Startup Options screen, select Options, then click Continue. This will take you to macOS Recovery. In the Recovery window, you'll see a few choices. The one we want is Disk Utility. Select it and click Continue. Inside Disk Utility, find your internal drive, usually named Macintosh HD, on the left-hand side. Select it and then click the Erase button at the top. A window will pop up asking for a name and format. You can just leave the name as Macintosh HD and make sure the format is set to APFS. Then click Erase. This part is quick and will wipe your drive clean. Once that's done, you can close Disk Utility. You'll be back at the macOS Recovery screen. This time, select Reinstall macOS. Follow the on-screen instructions to install a fresh copy of the operating system. This is the longest part of the process, so just let your Mac do its thing. It'll connect to the internet to download the software and then install it. After the installation is complete, your MacBook will restart and show the Setup Assistant just like when you first bought it. If you're selling or giving it away, this is where you stop. Just shut it down by pressing and holding the power button. The new owner can then set it up with their own information. And that's it. Your MacBook is now completely reset and ready for its next chapter. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.